Wasn't aware, maybe wasn't aware of the flag. He was way over on the left-hand side of the track and didn't even see it. And he thought, here's an opportunity, I'm going to take it. And of course the flag was being waved.
Yeah, but as you say, he wouldn't have seen it, and there was no flag on the other side. But goodness me, and I wonder what the damage is to the Ferrari.
Well, that Ferrari's been like a punch bowl all weekend.
But just look at the marshal. We now will have, for the first time ever on television, a flying marshal. I don't think he meant to fly, but still these Italian marshals can do almost anything. I think he got a bit upset there, to be brutally.
Pleased about that. Oh my goodness!
What is that all about?
That's a very bizarre thing. There's
Während unmittelbar vor unserer Sprecherkabine gerade ausrollt die Startnummer 6. Und jetzt machen sie ihm auch sein Auto noch kaputt, ziehen ihn noch einmal gegen.
The car's out at the moment, and on the banking there's more drama to come. Just watch what happens to this hapless marshal at the steering wheel. Well, he's run over by the car. More shock than hurt.
Certainly backed them up perfectly on the last time of asking, as the Gustavo Mendez's car is into safety. We'll await that recovery vehicle. That will have to be put back to safety before the safety car will be...
One of the most ridiculous things I've ever seen. This bloke's telling him to spin it around.
Yeah, so he's been actually cued, because you can't see around the corner. So in fairness to Morbidelli,
yes,
he got a visual cue then from someone through the fence saying you're okay to rotate the car. Now, he doesn't know that because he can't see around the corners.
Oh, dear.
Lumps and not tear up a who knows how many dollar motor.
I know, but I don't want to say. No, what, guys?
All right. You go this way, I'll go that way.
I was just saying they were the best at what they do, too, didn't they?
Yeah, it's all right. Hey, it's not us laughing. It's the fans in the stands that were...
Yeah, but we're kind of like...
It was just so loud it was coming over our microphone.
Well, right now I really don't know what the call is. My biggest thing is, will that truck be able to fire up? Okay, it's back on its wheels.
To continue accelerating. So, well, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that in HD, do you? With all your friends watching, he's going to be seeing that an awful lot.
Sebastian Loeb's one place ahead of him has had a disaster. Ekstrom, we are hearing, has gone for diagonally opposite wet and dry tyres. Oh, Marshall's fallen over on the grid. First crash of the day.
The pit stops have worked themselves out, and that would be why the car didn't fall.
Auf Slicks gräbt das Wertedienstgerät rattenabendtief ins großes Hobby im Übrigen von Richard Lietz, von vielen Porsche-Werkspiloten. Timo Bernhard ist auch ein begnadeter Mann. Was hat der denn gemacht? Der hat einen ersten Gang reingetan, das Auto dreht noch die Räder und Alex schiebt selber mit. Ja, wäre jetzt doof, wenn er Grip kriegen würde. Die Nummer auf der anderen Seite der Leitplanke hätte eher hohen Unterhaltungswert.
Have a look here. How close does he get to this, Marshall? He stood back. That's what you...
Die Teile zusammen.
Ja, nicht auf auf den Hinfall. Vorsicht, Vorsicht! Mensch, Jungs!
Das ist keine Panik.
Oh, da kommt der Petrov angeschossen. Mann, oh Mann.
Ahí se le va al Gurí. Ahí se le va el Gurí Martínez. Salta el auto, el banderillero que lo ve. Escapa primero para un lado. Después la ve mejor para el otro. Y entonces el Gurí Martínez.
And this is Junior Johnson, Steve Johnson, had a good consistent run yesterday. Oh, look at the background there. Marshall's ducking out to try and pick some of that debris. Oh, he's gone over too. Gee, that's a dangerous situation, isn't it?
You're game doing that, aren't you?
Well, I'm not sure that was necessary to send him out. Very gallant, but not necessary.
De Luna, como hay un toque, evidentemente, a la altura del tren trasero. Sí, lo sacudieron a Luna, A ver, nuevamente. Luna se va corriendo. ¡Oh! Estaba en estado, ¿eh? Sí, bueno, ahora lo podemos decir así. Sí, ¿no?
Side pod of the Toro Rosso. What? Look, the marshal still on the track as they got going. Yellow flag being waved. That was very, very near.
Oh, Marshall heading out. Oh, is it hot? Is it hot? It's brilliant, mate. Good on you. He's going to kick that exhaust all the way to the finish. No, out. Fantastic. Chucks it over with a load more.
Erin gaan om dat dan eventueel weg te halen. Kijk, wat is het? Oh, het is een blauwe vlag gewoon. Holy knetters. Dat is lekker.
Effectivement, 4e temps pour le pilote. Ouh là 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 là. Vous avez vu le commissaire à l'intérieur de la piste?
Johnny Herbert l'a évité de justesse.
Не в конце этого. Посмотри. Я, честно говоря, первый раз такое вижу, что вот так пожарный был за рулем, там, еще и ногами тормозил. И посмотрите, еще и подошвы, обуви дымятся. Это вообще, конечно, что-то удивительное.
Ой, он упал, бедняжка, посмотри. Да, действительно, служба опасной труда у пожарных.
That 2020 Parker Menard Series Championship. Trevor out of the race car looking for some help. I think he's going to want to get, you see little flames underneath the back of that automobile, so we're going to have to get fire service.